All right. So, for all the realtors out there, I think the number one thing when it comes to real estate and it comes to doing sales is don't give up on your dreams. I have the data to show this, but I'm just going to kind of explain this. The first 5 years of our real estate career, we literally didn't make much money. Arthur and I both had full-time jobs, never really wanting to, leave them because we were scared to leave our full-time jobs because we wouldn't make money and all kinds of things like that. But I think that over time, what happens was after 5 or 6 years, we ended up leaving the jobs. We ended up saving our money, just doing more sales and just continuously pushing ourselves forward. Now we do investments, I do renovation projects, right? I will buy properties that need to be upgraded, I will upgrade them. But all that stemmed from sales and from not giving up of my dream of being a real estate salesperson. And I've helped so many people, right? Over 500 families have bought and sold real estate with us, raised kids in these houses, took retirement money out of these houses. And with all that success, what I think I realized is, hey, listen, it might not come as fast as you, like the success might not show up to your door as fast as you actually want it to. But if you continue pushing yourself forward and you don't give up and you don't stop and you just keep trying and keep grinding, eventually you will figure out a way to make this business or probably any business work for you. Just don't give up on yourself. There's always going to be people that are naysayers. There's always going to be supporters, but the best thing that you could do is just believe in yourself. And if you're looking to try to see if we can make your journey go faster, come talk to me and my brother about your sales career, and we'll see where we could fine tune things to maybe help you achieve all your goals that you're looking to achieve. And good luck. Don't give up.